In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a horizontal line. A horizontal line is a simple, clean visual divider that helps break up sections of your document, draw attention to a new topic, or neatly separate content like summaries and conclusions. It's a small detail that makes your page easier to read and more professional. First, decide exactly where you want that divider to appear. Place your cursor at that spot in the document. Think of the cursor as the anchor point for the line. If you want the line between two paragraphs, click at the end of the first paragraph and press Enter if you need a new line, then position the cursor on that blank line. If you want it above a heading, click right before the heading and set the cursor there. Wherever your cursor sits now is where the line will be inserted, and it will take up its own line in the layout. Next, go to the top of your screen and open the Insert menu. This is where the app groups elements you can add to your document. From that menu, select Horizontal Line. You're looking specifically for the built-in horizontal line option, not a shape or drawing. One click is all it takes. If you're in editing mode, the command will be available immediately, and you won't need to adjust any additional settings. As soon as you choose horizontal line, a solid line appears across the page. It spans the width of the text area, creating a clean break between the content above and below. The line behaves much like a paragraph. It sits on its own line, and the text flows around it. If it isn't exactly where you intended, don't worry. You can move your cursor to the correct spot and insert another line there, or simply undo the last action to remove it. If you need a little more breathing room around the divider, add or remove blank lines above or below it, just as you would with regular text. Take a moment to scroll and confirm the line visually separates the sections the way you planned. Notice how it helps readers scan your document by signaling a clear transition. That's all there is to it. Place your cursor precisely where you want the break, click Insert, choose Horizontal Line, and let the document handle the formatting for you. With this quick technique, you can structure your pages more clearly and guide your readers from one idea to the next with confidence.